When you want to talk about sustainable initiatives, we don't just look at the apparel or the apparel fabrics as a sustainable piece of what we do here. TTG also makes advanced pollution control filtration materials. So we're thinking every day about how we can keep the air clean, how we can do some of those things. If we drill down all the way to AIRADIGM, one of the unique pieces of what we're doing is that pulse plasma process. As I mentioned earlier, talking about the water resistance, the cold crack with the DWR finishes, those are essentially done in a large vat with a lot of heat. So it's very much an endothermic process where someone's putting a lot of energy into the process to create that waterproof material. They're also using a lot of material to coat those particular items. Where you might be using a DWR coating, that pool, that bath that they're putting something in takes around 55 to 60 gallons of material just to coat a few thousand yards of material. We can coat that same 1,000 yards of material using our pulse plasma process and use less than a liter of that material. And why do we use less than a liter of that material? We use less than a liter of that material because we're attaching at the molecule. We're attaching that waterproof material right to the fiber, right to the molecule, creating a reaction with a water molecule that turns it from hydrophilic into a super hydrophobic material. We're depositing it at the molecule as opposed to using the dip coated surface treatment that you'd find in a traditional DWR treatment that uses a large volume of material. We don't have the same waste stream that others have with the dip process. What we use with our pulse plasma process, essentially our waste stream leaves once a year.